Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If your Google Drive storage is almost full and you want more storage, don't worry, in this video I will show you how you can significantly increase your Google Drive storage completely for free. You probably know Google gives 15 gigabytes of free storage, but with all those photos, videos and emails, that space fills up. You can also get more storage by paying Google some dollars per month. But today I'll share a clever workaround to boost your cloud storage without spending anything. Before that, if you are new to my channel, consider subscribe and also click the bell icon for any latest updates. Let's get started. The secret is simple. We'll use Google accounts to expand our total available storage. Don't worry, you won't have to log in and out of multiple accounts all day. You will conveniently manage all of your storage from just one place. Before showing that, you know Google gives 15 GB storage for free in one account. So we use multiple accounts. Calculate how much storage you want. If you want 60 GB storage, you have to make 4 accounts. If you want 90 GB of storage, you have to make 6 accounts. Don't worry, Google doesn't restrict the number of accounts you can create. So feel free to create as many as needed. Simply click your account icon, click add another account, click create account. You can see I created my accounts. Now open new tab, type here MultCloud. Go to the first website, click login and log in with your Google account. You can see multiple options here. Simply click Google Drive. Now add your first Google account. Now click Add Cloud. Add all accounts. You can see all the accounts are added. You can simply upload files of each account without login and log out again and again. You can share files one drive to another and select multiple. You can also add more clouds like OneDrive, Dropbox, Mega, Google Photos, Mediafire and more. If this video really helps you, like it and subscribe my channel for any latest updates. Thanks for watching.